Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning about syllables in word study. So a syllable is a part or a section of a word. It's just how we break words apart in order to make them into smaller sections. So one thing that's important to know about syllables is that each syllable is going to have one vowel sound in it. Now yesterday we learned about vowel teams and how two vowels can sometimes work together to make one sound. And so it's important to know that it's one vowel sound in each syllable, not necessarily just one vowel by itself. So if an AI is together, that could be making one sound in one syllable. So each syllable is going to have one vowel sound. Understanding syllables really helps us to be able to read words. When we can break a word apart into syllables, we can try to sound out each part, each syllable, and then we can read it together by putting all those syllables back together. So how do I know how many syllables a word has? Now in the past we've learned a lot about clapping out or pounding out syllables, and that's a great way to do it, but today I'm going to show you two different ways that I have learned recently that are really good for figuring out how many syllables are in a word. The first way is to place your fist under your chin. So you're going to put your hand in a little fist gently, and then you're going to place it beneath your chin. Now if we look at this example of apple right here, what you're going to do is you're going to place your fist under your chin and you're going to say the word apple. And each time your hand goes down, your mouth opens up a little bit more. Each time it goes down and you feel your fist move down, that's going to be a syllable. So each time our hand goes down, we count that as a syllable. So if we say the word apple, you'll notice your hand moves down twice. Putting your fist under your hand just helps you to feel how many times it goes down. So when you say the word apple, you'll notice your hand goes down 2 times. Oh. So that tells us that there are 2 syllables in the word apple. Let's look at another way that we can identify how many syllables are in a word. This next one sounds kind of silly, but it's actually to hum the word. We don't even have to try. We naturally hum words in their syllables because it's the breath that we take to make the sound. So if we were to hum the word apple, it would sound like this. Apple. So I'm making 2 noises when I hum out that word. So that tells me that there's 2 syllables in that word. Let's try these strategies on a few more words. Let's look at this first one. Table. Let's first try to use our chin underneath, our fist underneath our chin and see if we can do it. So pause the video. I want you to use your fist under your chin and see if you can figure out how many syllables are in this word table. When I say it, I say table, table. I notice that my chin moves down 2 times, so that tells me there's 2 syllables. Now let's try that same word with our humming. I hear 2 noises again. I'm taking 2 breaths to hum out that word. So it seems to match. I got 2 each time. Let's try another. Book. Let's say the word book with our fist underneath our chin. Book. Book. Oh, that time, I think my hand only went down 1 time. Let's hum it out and see if we get the same response. I really only make 1 noise there. So both times I only got 1, each one. So I only have 1 syllable in that word. Let's look at this next one. Washcloth. Why don't we put our hands under our chin and see if we can say it and see how many times our hand moves down. Washcloth. Washcloth. Sometimes you have to do it more than once to tell, and you got to do it slowly. Washcloth. I'm pretty sure my hand went down 2 times there. Let's hum it out and see if it matches. Washcloth. I hear 2 there as well. Try this next one on your own. Pause the video after I tell you and try it on your own. Television. That's a bigger word. Television. So pause the video now and see if you can figure out how many syllables that word has. Now let's try it together. Television. So I am going to put my fist under my chin and I'm going to say the word television. Television. You might have to say it slowly because your mouth moves so fast. You might have to say it slowly in order to be able to feel how many times your hand moves down. Television. I'm pretty sure my fist and my hand went down 4 times. That's a lot more than the other one, so let's hum it to see if it sounds the same. Oh, television. I'm still hearing 4 there. Is that what you got? All right, guys, go ahead. You've learned these 2 different strategies. I always say to do both each time. I first try putting my fist under my chin and then I try humming the word. So you're going to do this today with a few more words for your assignment in Canvas.